Here we are at Island Miniature Schnauzers looking at ButtonsII Puppies. Now they've just had their evening milk and their mummy has gone out for potty chores. So let me just see if I can point to you who's who. Okay. So I'm going to get down a bit here. Okay. So that is a male, folks. This one here in the back is a male. That's a male. And that's the female. So I know that I'm not providing you with the names of who's who because I'm not in the office right now. These kids live in our bedroom in their whelping box. So I don't have that capability of telling you who's who. Okay. But they're all absolutely beautiful. So once again, that's the female. That's a male with a white ruff. That's another male right there. And then the back with the white spot is a male. So they'll be moving down to the office in about 2 weeks' time, and then you'll be able to see your puppy nice and clear. They're still too young to move. I like to be able to listen to them at nighttime to make sure that everything's going well with the babies and that they're milking well. And once they're about 4 weeks of age, then I take them downstairs. So there you go. Thanks for watching.